Ever wondered how the motorcycle came to be? Let's dive in. In the late 19th century, inventors began experimenting with engines. The first true motorcycle was created by Gottlieb Daimler in 1885. Soon after, the motorcycle evolved with the introduction of the internal combustion engine. By the early 1900s, motorcycles became popular for racing and leisure. Brands like Harley-Davidson and Indian emerged, shaping motorcycle culture. Today, motorcycles symbolize freedom and adventure for millions worldwide.